Okay, Samsung front loading washer, spider gear failure. There it is, right here. Look at that. Chunks of metal from this pot metal gear has been in our machine for a couple years now. Complete failure. And I'm in the process of replacing it all. Here's all the parts. Everything to this washing machine. It's crazy. I used to live in Korea, so I know how the Koreans are. They're very proud. They'd be very ashamed if this video goes on Korean internet and we talk foolishness about their engineering. But it's true. It's junk. Most people throw these machines out. I'm trying to salvage it. Okay? Checking out the drum. Looking for any damage. No big damages so far. Look at that. Actual complete failure. That's why it wouldn't spin, because it was just completely off balance and off kilter. Here's the new piece. Since I am drblast.com, I have a media blasting business. I bought a new arm and I blasted it. Then I primed it, put a sealer on it, and put some caliper paint, automotive brake caliper paint, which is probably some of the toughest paints and primers out there, and I put it on the new one. And I'm in the process of putting it on now, and hopefully have another good 10 years of life of the machine.